I'm Dan. We're the vision team for Remax Marketing Specialists, and today we're going to introduce you to a beautiful home in a beautiful neighborhood.
Welcome to 24243 Balmoral Lane in Brooksville, Florida, part of the Nottingham Forest subdivision.
Robin Hood used to be here. And it is a setting like you cannot believe. The streets are beautiful, the homes are beautiful, it's scenic, serene. It's just an atmosphere like you can't believe off of Croom Road. So it's accessible to the interstate, it's accessible to Suncoast, downtown Brooksville, not too far from Spring Hill, and yet you are out here in a secluded, beautiful neighborhood. The neighborhood itself is to be thought of.
This home lies on 1.10 acres. It's totally fenced. It's also gated. The home is 2,600 square feet, about 4,000 square feet altogether. It's 3 bedroom, 2 bath, with a formal dining room, living room. There's an extra space here that can be used as an office or a formal living room. As you can see, a gourmet kitchen with lots of seating out here for beautiful, to utilize this beautiful breakfast bar.
You can have a pretty good sized party in here.
For sure. Nice granite. You still have a spacious nook area over there with lots and lots of cabinets. Stainless steel appliances, and look at that view.
That's a nice enclosed lanai, so you can make your coffee in the morning and sit out there. And they have a bird feeder, and we've seen like 10 robins, finches, they all come there. I sit there, I have coffee and watch the birds eat their breakfast, so it would be great. So now let's take a look at the rest of the house, because we want to show you some of these rooms and some of the features, including the garage, which is a real nice setup. I just wanted to mention that this is a nice formal dining room area. And then on this side of the foyer is also a room that could be used as an entertainment place for the family, for the children, playroom. A lot of versatility for this room, so use your imagination to what you want to do. And it has an opening whereby it leads to the living room area, so if it was children in here, you can watch and monitor them without any problem at all. It's got a beautiful setup here. I like it.
Okay, so here's a really good view of this gorgeous kitchen. Any person's dream who likes to cook or entertain. These appliances are beautiful, and I love this black granite. It's just gorgeous.
Do you like to cook?
I love to cook.
What would you cook?
I would cook anything with garlic. I like to cook.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Really stick the place up. So anyway, once again, take a look at these cabinets, and more cabinets. Beautiful sink area, and again, look at the view out in the living room as you're entertaining. Well, and you and I all know that most of it happens in the kitchen anyway, so this way there's plenty of room for everybody.
Now, Kim, this is one of my favorite places in the home because this is the master bedroom, potentially master suite. It is a large area. The closets are huge, and those are set up for shoes in case you're a collector of shoes. You got plenty of room to put all kinds of things there. And then another closet besides that, leading into this beautiful bathroom, which leads to another room.
Well, what I love about this room is the tray ceiling outlined in wood. And what you can't see around the corner are closets. So much closet space. That's what I love about this house as well. And wait till you see this bathroom.
I just wanted to stop here in the bathroom and show you these marble counters. They're not only marble, they're like gorgeous. I don't know where you would ever see anything quite like this double seam. Again, always the closet space, the closet area, plenty of room to put anything.
Beautiful tile in this bathroom, beautiful large jetted tub, and this shower is definitely set up for 2 people. You got a sprayer right there, and look at the shower sprayers right there on the wall, and the one on the top. Definitely makes
It won't
for a
be just a shower, it'll be an experience. Okay, now we are in a room that leads from the master through the bedroom or bathroom, but there's also an aisle that leads into the living room.
This is the 3rd bedroom.
And this would be a 3rd bedroom, or it would be a master suite area. Okay, and what's over here to my left?
Your walk-in closet.
Oh, what?
A walk-in closet.
Really? Does that mean you can like walk into it? Yeah.
And pay attention to this beautiful fan. Is that not glorious or what?
We got elephants in the African jungle.
Which matches nature, which you have a beautiful view of. Okay, so here's the 2nd bath, and it's a lovely 2nd bath. You don't see them as large as this most of the time. Beautiful tile on the floor and in the shower. Once again, marble sinks and a beautiful added touch with the crystal chandelier. So you can see that this room has lots of space. You can fit a couple of beds and a dresser, and still has room for, I believe, another nightstand for a TV or whatnot. The nice feature in this room is this closet. Again, this house, closets, closets, closets. Plenty of room. Okay, now welcome to this very large laundry room. It even has its own window. Once again, lots of cabinets. This home comes with a washer and dryer. This door leads out to the garage, and so you have access to a sink that you can clean up in. And of course you can do some hand washing in that as well. The real nice part about this laundry room is this huge pantry. Lots and lots of room for extra food, and also those big pots and pans that you just have no place for. Okay, so from the laundry room, there's the door. We come out to the garage. There's also another door to the kitchen and a door that leads to the backyard. Here we got lots of storage here. We've got the generator here. It's only 1 year old. I failed to mention it's a 2013 roof. If you'll notice the oversized door for RV parking, oversized garage for lots of storage. Right here is a bench with lots of cabinets, and are those Dan's boots? Dan? Dan! Where is he now? Dan? Dan! Dan,
Yeah.
what are you doing?
Well, I was looking at this beautiful yard, and I came across these oranges, and I tasted them, Kim. They're the sweetest oranges you've ever tasted. And I was picking you some. I was, going to help.
We're supposed to be doing a video. You're unbelievable, Dan. Where did you get those boots?
I got them out of the garage. They fit perfect, and this thing here is like an orange retriever. It's unbelievable. And then I got a bucket out of the garage.
I'll give you that this yard is beautiful, and these trees are a beautiful added feature, but I hate to tell you something.
What's that?
I don't even like oranges.
You're in Florida. You don't like oranges if you're in Florida?
Mm-mm.
All right, then I'll give you a grapefruit.
Dan,
What?
I don't like grapefruit
Do
either.
you not like citrus at all?
So guess what? How about if we just do this? How about if we get back in the house and we get back to doing our video?
All right. Okay. Just trying to be helpful.
Now that I have found Dan, can
Hi.
you stay put for a minute?
I can.
Can you tell the nice people about this
I
lovely
will be glad to. This is the end of the tour. And we end with this beautiful tiled lanai area, fans, and the view out in this beautiful yard. And you set you a little couch or chairs and coffee pot, but don't bring a TV, because this is what you want. This is the lifestyle you want to have when you enter this home. So this is it for Balmoral. If you don't want it yourself, tell a friend. Somebody wants this house bad.